Napakaganda naman ni Kiss. What's your name? Jaina. Okay, let's say your pictures, mommy po. Sige po sa puso. Yes, okay na po ba? Okay, okay na po mag-picture. Ayan, nahihirapan pa rin yung judges natin. Number, come up on stage, number 28! Wala pang palakpakan dyan! Congratulations! Napakaganda naman talaga ng costumes ng ating fairy. Okay. Okay, pwede po tayo mag-picture.
Thank you po, UCM Adventure Park.